Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a secret code. We have to open a dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which is a little bit different and longer, but it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's open the settings. We have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.